Advanced Impact 18, the new compact cordless combi drill from Bosch. The tool is compact and lightweight thanks to the use of a new brushless motor that's smaller than in previous models. The direction of rotation is indicated by LEDs and can easily be changed using the electronic toggle switch. After 30 seconds of non-use, the Advanced Impact 18 even returns to the forward direction automatically. Changing the attachment couldn't be easier. Take the magnetic cap off and put the drill chuck on. The drill chuck accommodates straight shank drill bits measuring up to 13 millimeters. Insert the drill bit and switch the tool to drilling mode. To use the magnetic cap, simply put it on and push it in. Now insert the bit you need and pull the magnetic cap out again. Place the screw in place and switch the tool to screw-driving mode. The combi drill will switch between the first and second gear automatically. The torque settings are indicated on the rotating ring, enabling the torque to be selected with ease. The magnetic screw holder keeps the screws close at hand, so they can be placed on the magnetic cap quickly. This enables you to work efficiently and with both hands. To use the impact drilling function, insert the bit you need and switch the tool to impact drilling mode. The offset angle adapter can be locked in 8 different positions. This makes it possible to drive screws that are close to edges from as little as 10 millimeters away. The angle screw adapter is just what you need when space is tight. You'll never struggle to drive screws in hard-to-reach places again. The angle screw adapter even allows the drill chuck to be attached for jobs such as drilling in wood. Simply switch the Advanced Impact 18 to drilling mode and you can drill around the corner effortlessly. Bosch, invented for life.
Milwaukee introduces the M12 Fuel Surge quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver. To deliver torque in a standard impact driver, a hammer strikes an anvil, resulting in excessive noise and vibration due to the direct metal-on-metal contact. The M12 Fuel Surge quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver utilizes a fluid drive hydraulic powertrain that delivers torque to the application through rapid expansion and compression of hydraulic fluid, reducing metal-on-metal contact. This results in quieter operation, smoother performance, and reduced wear.
For the size of the tool, I was pretty surprised at how much power it had and how quiet it was.
With the M12 Fuel Surge, I would have to say that it's half as noisy as any other impacts on the market.
The M12 Surge is quiet for when you're in an office environment.
The M12 Fuel Surge is a compact unit, and I like that because you can get into tighter corners.
The M12 fuel surge is the smallest, the lightest. It means so much to us because we have to handle it all day long.
The perfect size, the perfect fit in your hand.
And it's lightweight for packing and carrying out.
I'm pleasantly surprised how powerful it is.
It has the power to do everything, from rough carpentry to finished carpentry. What I especially like is the speed control.
With those different modes, I can actually put cabinet doors on, but if you need to put a 9-inch screw in a wall through solid wood, that little sucker will do it.
With the M12 fuel surge, it runs smoother. I feel you have more control than any other impact.
It's lighter, it's smaller, it's quieter, it doesn't rack the hell out of your hand. It's exactly what we asked for.